अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। How are you, Hassan?
Assalamu alaikum, teacher. I am fine. How are you?
I'm good, alhamdulillah. So tell me, how was your date yesterday?
Uh,
Yes, Hassan.
It was very good because my cousin came here. I played with him a lot.
That's great. So how did you spend your yesterday? Can you share with me?
I played with football and watched TV
Okay.
and play hide and seek.
Hide and seek. Okay. So do you like to play hide and seek?
Yes. And I also made a story.
Okay, that's great. All right. So tell me, yesterday I told you to learn or read or see any new story. So do you know about any story? Have you prepared it? Can you present?
Yes, I made a story by myself.
Sure, very good. So have you written it?
Yes.
All right, so you can share it in group as well. So start presenting. Tell me.
The story name is The Toothbrush Tale. Once upon a time, there were two brothers, Ahmed and Danish. Ahmed was very particular about his dental hygiene. He brushed his teeth 3 times a day and avoided eating too many sweets and candies. But there was one problem. He brushed his
Okay.
There was one problem. He brushed his teeth so hard that his gums started to hurt and his teeth became
All right.
sensitive, sensitive to hot and cold food. Danish, on the other hand, was the complete opposite. Complete opposite. He never brushed his teeth. He loved sweets and chocolate. His teeth became yellow and he started getting cavities. One both brothers felt pain in their teeth and couldn't drink favorite hot chocolate because his teeth were so sensitive. Danish had a terrible tooth tooth from a cavity. Their parents took them to a dentist, Dr. Sun. Dr. Sun at first checked Emma, you must have been brushing too much and too hard. You should brush gently first. A day, a day, and use a soft toothbrush.
Okay.
Then she checked Danish's teeth. Oh dear Danish, you have many cavities because you have not been brushing your teeth at all. You must start brushing your teeth twice daily. From that day on, Ahmed brushed his teeth gently and Danish started brushing regularly.
Then,
Balance is the key to everything, even brushing your teeth. That's all.
Okay, that's really great. All right. So, Hassan, tell me one thing. Oh, we got the Muaz in class. Yes, Muaz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam, teacher. I'm perfectly fine. What about you?
I'm good, Alhamdulillah. So, Muaz, have you prepared a new story as I have given you yesterday to present today? Yes, Muaz.
Yes, I written a very scary story.
Oh, you have written the very scary story, so I would love to hear. Let's start.
The name of the story is Oh My God. One day, Ali was playing in the park with his friends. He was happily playing tag with his friends. He didn't notice that a stranger was hiding behind a tree, staring at him. He had no time to look at him because he had a bigger fish to fry. His friend, his friend, chasing after, his friends chasing after him. His friends chasing after him. Suddenly, a stranger grabbed him and looked and took him away. Ali screamed and tried to get free. All the people in the park gathered around the man, so he ran away. Ali was very scared, but he was glad that he was free. The end.
Yes, Muaz.
This is a real story. It happened to my cousin.
Okay, I'm all ears. Complete the story.
I told the story. It's the end.
Okay, all right. So, how do you know that it happened with your cousin? Did he tell you all by himself?
Oh, yes, my mom told me what happened.
Okay, all right. So, tell me one thing, Moaz, that your mom told you this story. And what about you? Have you made a story all by yourself, as I told you yesterday? Or you can make like this. Just think about it. I'm giving you 2 minutes. You can make it in your
Yesterday,
head. What?
Mom told me yesterday, and then I write it.
Okay, then you wrote it. Okay, all right. Okay, and I hope you guys have learned about that poem which we have heard yesterday. Have you started learning that poem?
No, it's difficult. Wait, what was
What are you saying, Juan?
your name again?
What was the? I couldn't hear. Can you repeat?
What was your name again?
My name. You don't know my name. My name is Sumaira.
Uh,
Okay.
Okay.
All right, I am sharing the screen and we will see a picture of some questions. All right. And we will do something. Let's see. Wait a minute. Yes. Okay. So let's start from Hassan. Yes, Hassan, if you could invent a new tool, what would it do? What would it do and how would it work? Can you tell me, Hassan?
A car.
If you want to invent something, a new tool or something, so what would it do and how would it work? Think about it and let me know. And Moaz, you have the question, if animals could talk, what do you think they would say? Okay, so think about it, both of you, about your question and give me the answer. Yes, Hassan. Have you ever thought
Let
about
me think.
any tool which you can invent, you can make all by yourself? If you have thought, so what would it do and how would it work? How like
About
how would it work and how can you use it? Yes, Hassan, I'm all ears.
I would invent a new mobile.
New what?
I will invent a new mobile.
Mobile. Okay. It's not a tool, basically, it's a device. Okay. So, okay, if you could invent something, so you could invent you could make a mobile, all right. So, what would it do? What do you think that whatever you will make or you could make, so how did it work and how can you use that? What's in your head? Have you thought about it?
I will make a new mobile company.
What?
I will make a new mobile company.
You will make a new mobile company. You are planning, you are thinking about it.
Yes.
Okay, so
Its name will be Hassan Mobile Company.
what are you saying, Maz?
Its name will be Hassan Mobile Company.
Hmm. Okay, so how would it do and like what would it do? Like you how can you use it and how would it work? Can you explain it? Obviously, you have thought about to make a mobile company. So have you thought about that? How would you run it? How would it work? How will you use it? In which kind of thinking you have thought about it? What is in your mind? Yes, Hassan. Or Moaz, you also can give me the answer of the same question.
Its mobile will be
Mobile will be
will
what?
follow our voice instruction.
What are you saying?
It will follow our voice instruction.
Hmm.
It will follow our voice instruction.
Which new feature you can introduce in your mobile company?
And
Like what would be
if
the
we
difference
play
between other mobile companies
or
and your mobile company?
and and um, we will let the mobile ring and we not have to find the mobile.
What about Moaz? Yes, Moaz, can you tell me?
If animals could talk, they will say, "Don't destroy the world. Bye. Don't kill innocent birds and don't make the air dirty and don't burn the garbage and don't waste food and don't waste anything."
Okay, that's great. It's a good idea.
Don't cut the trees and don't throw trash on the road.
Hmm. All right. Okay, that's great. So, Moaz, from you, I can start. Second question. If animals could talk, what do you think they would say? The same question is from Hassan and Moaz both. Who will tell me the answer? If
I
animals could
just
talk,
told you. I
what?
just told you.
What are you saying?
I just told you. Give me water. The reason.
Okay, I thought you are giving me the answer of question number one. I'm so sorry. I was asking the same question from you, Moaz. If you could invent a new tool, what would it do and how would it work? Yes, Moaz. Then you can give me the answer of second question.
I love to make the printer. To
Printer.
printing. Yes.
Okay, so what do you think that what would be the new feature or new thing in the printer? Because all printers are same and they work in the same way. So what would be a new thing, unique idea in your printer so people can buy or people can think to work on that? Have you thought about it?
I I can copy my hobby. What?
What are you saying, Moz?
It will be anything, just listening to my word.
I wanted a unique idea which you think about to develop in your printer. So it can be a different printer from other printers. Otherwise, your printer, if your printer would be the same printer like other printers, so people would, why people would recommend to buy your printer? I want to know that. Have you thought about it to make any new feature in your printer or something new that people can attract towards your printer buying?
I said that the printer will copy anything, just listening to my word.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. All the printers work in the same way. Like obviously they copy all of the things. But I want to know any new feature or any new thing which you have to plan in developing, in creating in your printer so people can think that Moaz, the printer which Moaz invented is a different one from other printers. Do you have something in your head, any unique idea or any new thing to make regarding your printer?
They could not listen to our words because we can only write in the computer and copy from the printer.
Okay. All right.
But my printer could listen to my words.
See, if I would have thought about making or inventing a new printer, so I would have preferred to create any new feature in my printer so people can attract towards my printer in buying, as my printer would be the different printer comparatively with other printers. Like for instance, it could be anything. Like as you said, printer can copy the paper as it is, right? But the unique idea which is in my mind would be like I would introduce a new feature. Like for instance, there would be a, you can say
Mama, break.
an option of embossing the bold content, embossing a bold content which I wanted, I would prefer to create. I would try to create in that printer. So when people come to print their pages and they want me to emboss their bold content, so my printer would do in the same way. So that would be the different one. I can discriminate my printer and others' printer. Did you get it? What I'm trying to say?
Yep.
So if Moaz would
My
know that, if Moaz would know that my printer have a new feature of embossing to bold content of the paper, so he would love to print his pages or worksheets from my print house rather than others' printer. Got it, Moaz?
I got it.
So
And my printer would be like a wristwatch, and we can wear it like a watch, but it can be so powerful. You can wear it can it, it, and it can be so powerful, and it can print anything.
this is the way we need to think about that if we want to create anything which is already exist in society in around us, so we need to think any unique idea to introduce towards people. So then our invention would be the different one. Okay, Hassan, do you have anything in your head regarding this, regarding your invention? Otherwise, we will move on.
I will answer.
You will what?
I will answer in group.
Yeah, you
In the group.
you already told me about the answer. I just wanted to know that after listening my and Moaz's conversation, did you have an idea that whatever we are going to invent or whatever we are making or developing or creating something, so we need to think about creating a unique idea towards making a unique idea, that how can we innovate, how can we create the thing or our invention or any object with a unique or new idea. So it can be different from others. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I think we have only 10 minutes left, so we would have some conversation and then we will hear the same poem at the end of the session. Second question we have is, if animals could talk, what do you think they would say? Although, Moaz, you have told me about this question, but I would recommend both of you try to think in a deep manner these two questions and write something unique you can invent, or write something unique you can think that if animals could talk, what do you think they would say? So I want from both of you the unique ideas regarding these two questions. I hope you got it. I would share these two questions in the group, so you guys have to give me the answer. All right, Moaz and Hassan? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
All right. Okay. So now tell me something. First, Hassan, you tell me. Which vegetable do you like to eat?
Carrot.
Okay, carrot. So do you know the color of carrot?
Yes, it is orange and red. A little bit red.
Okay, but it has also a green color.
It's these.
Isn't it?
What?
The carrot has also a green color. Do you know about it?
No,
No?
no.
You haven't checked the carrot? Ask to your mama that
Carrot
show the
is red
carrot.
in color, but its leaves are green.
What are you saying?
The carrot is red in color and it is green. The top of the
Yes,
carrot
carrot
is
has two colors. At times, carrot is orange, and at times, carrot is red. Yes, Maz, do you want to say something?
The top of the carrot is green and the leaves are green.
Exactly. So, can you guys discuss about the carrot? Yes, Moaz and Hassan. Moaz, you can ask something about carrot from Hassan.
Hassan, do you want to eat it raw or cooked? What? Hassan, do you want to eat raw or cooked or both?
Hassan, Moaz means that do you want to eat the carrot without cooked or with cooked?
I will eat cooked.
You don't like to eat raw?
I eat raw in salad.
Hmm. Okay, Moaz. Anything else you want to ask from Hassan?
Have you tried carrot halwa? We use raw carrot in macaroni and salad and rice. And in soup as well. I like to eat carrot halwa and carrot keel.
Okay. So now, Hassan, you can ask from Moaz that which veggie Moaz would love to eat. Yes, Hassan, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am. What are you saying?
Ask Moaz about the veggie. that which veggie he does like.
Mars, which veggie do you like? Shikharkandi. My favorite vegetable is shakarkandi.
Okay.
Means sweet potato.
Hmm. Okay, Hassan, ask him something about sweet potato.
How do you eat sweet potatoes? My favorite sweet potato to eat is a pinch of pink salt, of boiled sweet potato, and pinch of pink salt, and a squeeze of lemon. It's so tasty. Maybe boiled potatoes. Boiled sweet potato. Have you
Okay.
tried it, Hassan? Teacher, have you tried it?
Yes, I tried it
Yes,
so
but
many
I
times.
only tried it
Yeah,
only one time. It
I
was
tried
very good.
steamed sweet potato. It's very delicious.
Oh my goodness.
After applying spices, right?
I tried it only one time.
Hmm. All right.
I don't see I only like salt. I like fried potato.
Moaz,
You mean
as I
you
told you
mean
guys yesterday, that you guys have to do the communication practice session, which you are not doing. So, this is the vegetable conversation, which you guys have to do the practice. And tomorrow we will do this conversation again. Try to think about multiple vegetables, that how can you ask from each other. Okay, Hassan and Moaz? Both of you will do the role play.
okay?
Being a friends, you will ask each other about the veggies and their um, good qualities and their like you can say benefits. How why we have to eat the vegetables, and who is the veggie vendor, who is the fruit vendor, and different kind of things. All right. So this is your home assignment for today. Okay, Hassan and
Okay,
Moaz?
inshallah. Then
Inshallah.
you mean inshallah.
What are you saying, Moaz?
Hassan, did you ever know how to cook a vegetable? Do you know vegetable? Do you know any vegetable recipe?
Okay, anyways, guys,
Yes, I know.
I'm playing a poem. Tomorrow we will have a conversation. Only 1 minute left. So let's quickly wrap up the class. Just listen the poem and then class would be ended. Try to learn this poem as well.
My mom is amazing. She wakes early in the morning. This is very boring.
Can you sing along with it?
Would you ever let anybody put you down? 'Cause you are my little angel. Would you need something more from me to do? 'Cause it's cold out there, she thinks. Then she walks me to school, yes, I ain't no fool. I just think my mommy is amazing. She makes me feel like I can go